Happy New Year, everybody. I'm Reed with Two Wheel Gear, and I want to start off by saying thank you for all your support over the years. You're receiving this message because you're a Two Wheel Gear insider and you've been with us for a while. So let's take a quick look back. We started with the bike suit bag, and I made a lot of these in my basement over the years. Then we designed the Pannier Backpack convertible, and this has quickly become one of our most popular bags. And now, in 2018, I'm very excited to preview our new Pannier Briefcase convertible. And this is like our other bags in that it's all weather ready, made of waterproof materials. There's lots of different compartments and organization, 17-inch laptop compatible. And this year, we're actually coming out with a brand new mounting system that locks right around your rack. So it's a huge upgrade. But with this project, we hit a snag in our manufacturing. And now we are asking for everyone's help to expand our line and bring this product home. So in February, we will be launching our first Kickstarter campaign to help bring the new bag into our lineup. And we really hope that everyone will support us and share our campaign with their fellow commuter friends. And with that, we're going to be in touch a lot more in the next month. So have a great 2018. Thanks. Commute safe.